In today's news update, I want to talk about what everybody ought to know about erectile dysfunction. Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. What needs to be understood is that ED is the end result of a compromised cardiovascular system. It is not a primary disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. And stroke is the fifth leading cause of death in the US. Together, heart disease and stroke, along with other cardiovascular diseases, are among the most widespread in the US. Fortunately, they are also among the most preventable. The leading modifiable risk factor for heart disease and stroke, and therefore ED, are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, cigarette smoking, diabetes, unhealthy diet and physical inactivity, overweight, and obesity. Over time, these risk factors cause changes in the heart and blood vessels that can lead to heart attack, heart failure, strokes, and therefore erectile dysfunction. It is critical to address risk factors early in life to prevent these devastating events and other potential complications of chronic cardiovascular disease. But controlling risk factors for heart disease and stroke remains a challenge. High blood pressure, cigarette smoking, and high cholesterol are still major contributors to the national epidemic of cardiovascular disease and erectile dysfunction. High blood pressure alone affects approximately 1 in 3 adults in the US, and only about half of them have it under control. High sodium intake can increase blood pressure and the risk for heart disease and stroke, yet about 90% of American adults exceed their daily recommendation for sodium intake. The risk of Americans developing and dying from cardiovascular disease would be substantially reduced if major improvements were made across the U.S. population in diet and physical activity, control of high blood pressure and cholesterol, and smoking cessation. Want to avoid, repair ED, and at the same time save your life? It's simple. Just follow the above guidelines to reduce cardiovascular disease. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the above 2 video links. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.